Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily clean a hard disk from viruses. Make sure that you are connected to the internet. Next step, go to the search bar and type Windows Security. Click on the Windows Security to open. This will open the Windows Integrated Antivirus. Next step, click on Virus and Threat. At this stage, you want to click on Protection Updates and click Check for Updates. This will allow your system to update to the latest security intelligence version. Completed, click on Home, click Virus and Threat Protection, Scan Options, and here you want to select Custom Scan. Click Scan Now. You'll be prompted to select the device or the folders that you want to scan. Click on this PC shortcut. At this stage, if you want to scan USB flash drive or an SD card or an external hard disk or SSD or the Windows operating system and folders. So select which one you want to scan. For the purpose that this video should not be longer, I will just select this one and we'll click Select Folder. The system will start scanning accordingly, and if there are any viruses or threats, it should be flagged to you. I will just pause the video here and I will restart to show you what it looks like after the scan is done. You'll be redirected to this page and you will see that the scan has lasted, let's say, 1 minute, number of files scanned, etc. If it has found any threat, it should be able to put it in quarantine for you. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.